Nagrerenta ka pa rin o naghahanap ka na ng bahay na pwede mong lipatan agad? Pakinggan mo to. Ipinapakilala namin ang Brea Townhouse sa Eastwood Subdivision, Rodriguez, Rizal. May 96 square meters na floor area, 3 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath, may carport, laundry area at balcony. Ang pinakamaganda dito, kasama na ang TV, refrigerator, aircon, dining table, sofa, bedroom with mattress, bedroom cabinets at built-in kitchen cabinets with range hood. May blinds na rin at built-in laboratory cabinet sa banyo. Ang total investment price ay 4.150 million lamang. May bank financing, low down payment, at kayang monthly amortization. Sa unang 3 taon, nasa around 55,000 monthly. At pagkatapos nun, around 25,000 na lang per month. May option ka rin na mag-upgrade sa smart home features tulad ng CCTV, digital door lock, smart doorbell at automatic gate. Kung gusto mo makita ang actual unit, sample computation at malaman kung qualified ka sa bank loan, tumawag o mag-message ngayon sa 0947-543-6668. Available sa Viber, WhatsApp at SMS. Unahan na to, limited units only.